What's the meaning of body press? Body press. Body press.
Body press. Body press. Body press refers to a move used in professional wrestling where a wrestler throws their whole body weight onto an opponent. This move can be executed in different ways, such as diving off the ropes or jumping from a high surface. When properly executed, a body press can cause significant damage to the targeted opponent, often leading to them being unable to continue the match. This is a high-risk maneuver, as any misstep or miscalculation can result in injury for both the wrestler performing the move and their opponent.